You arrive at the cafe shop. The staff of the shop, the staff of the cafe shop, you say like this to you. いらっしゃいませ。何にしましょうか。いらっしゃいませ。何にしましょうか。Which means welcome. What would you like to order? いらっしゃいませ is mean welcome. This means you welcome you to the cafe shop. And 何にしましょうか This means what do you want to order? Or we say the polite way that what would you like to order? So the first thing the staff will say like this to you. So you have to remember. The first spread いらっしゃいませ This means when they say faster, they just say いらっしゃいませ But if you say slowly, you can say like いらっしゃいませいらっしゃいませ And you say faster, it could be いらっしゃいませ like this.